Hey guys, it's Hans Hobbies, and this is my first run of my Redcat Racing Wendigo. Um, it's running a kind of rundown lipo battery right at the moment. Also, it's pretty cold outside, so traction may be a little bit limited. But regardless, let's see how this thing actually runs. So immediately, get the camera set up here. Immediately, the throttle response is pretty good as far as how slow it can go. That's about as slow as it can go, so not really a crawler. I'm definitely more of a basher, and there's a lot of torque twist in this guy. Even with the rundown LiPo battery, you can see also the turning radius is pretty large because it doesn't actually have a diff, it has a spool. Well, that's a wheelie right there. This is actually really cool. Yeah, so going in straight lines, the truck is surprisingly smooth for being a solid axle truck going so fast. It's in the turns that this thing will suffer just because, look at that, like that, because solid axle trucks just aren't meant to turn at speed. So it's a nice little hop there. See how good the braking performance is. Well, that actually lifted the rear wheels up. Oh, it actually flipped it over. There we go. Yeah, so it's definitely an exciting truck. Definitely a blunt force weapon, I guess, for rock crawling or rock racing. Dude, it even hops over my driveway. That's really cool. When I initially saw news of this, I thought I wouldn't like it much because like it looked cool. I was interested in it, but I thought if I was going to drive it, I would much rather have kind of like a rock crawler situation. So I wasn't really a fan of the brushless motor and all that, but driving this around like this, it's actually pretty good, and it's tuned decently well for just light bashing like this. Oops, let's not go in the neighbor's yard. Okay, that's cool. That's fun. So I'm going to try to run down the rest of this battery pack. I think I'm gonna have a lot more fun with this thing than I thought. I actually am not really a big fan of rock racers, but I think this one so far seems like it's executed pretty well. So my initial impressions are pretty good. If you guys want to see more about this and the eventual review video I will have out for the Wendigo, subscribe, comment down below, check out my other videos, give me a like, all the good YouTube shenanigans, and I will see you guys next time.